Alright guys, so today I will be telling y'all the fundamental rules of working out which you need to know as a beginner. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to talk to y'all about the exercise aspect of your fitness journey. This part is extremely important as this is going to provide the stimulus to your muscles which they need to grow. So first things first, there are gonna be people who tell you that you don't need to train to failure and that it's okay to train till about 1 to 2 reps in the tank and dump tons of scientific studies on your face. But as your gym bro, I'm gonna tell you what worked the best for me. Because when someone shows me scientific studies, that just says that they don't have any real life experience. So what I will tell you to do from my own personal experience is that train till complete failure. Absolute failure. Failure is simply that point after which you cannot perform another rep with proper form even with a gun pointed at your head. Now this point is different for different people, so you will have to experiment it for yourself. And don't worry, we will be talking about how many reps you should do further in the video. Alright guys, so moving on to the splits which you follow. Personally, the split which worked the best for me was the one which allowed me to train my each and every muscle group in the body at least twice per week. And that's why I currently do a classic push-pull leg split. That is, on Monday I do legs, quads, glutes, hamstrings and calves. Tuesday is a pull day, that is all the muscles which are involved in pulling are trained on this day. For example, back, biceps and rear delts. Wednesday is a push day. Again, as the name suggests, all the muscles which are used in pushing things away from your body are trained on this day. For example, triceps, shoulders and chest. Thursday is a leg day again. Friday is the second pull day and Saturday is the second push day and Sunday is rest day. In this split, you can see how each and every muscle group of my body is stimulated minimum twice per week. This is important guys because your muscles recover after about 48 to 60 hours after your workout as a beginner. I'm not saying that you won't see any results if you'll train your muscles only once per week, but if you do, it'll take longer for you to see any significant gains. I've actually talked about this topic in detail in this video, you can check it if you like. But what I will suggest you to get the best results as fast as possible is to choose a split which will allow you to train each of your muscle groups at least twice per week. Now moving on to rep ranges guys, what worked the best for me was 6 to 10 reps for all compound exercises, that is all those exercises which involve multiple joints or multiple muscle groups, for example squats, deadlifts or bench press, and 10 to 15 reps for all isolation movements, that is all those exercises which involve a single muscle group or a single joint, for example bicep curls or tricep pushdowns. Now guys, it is really important for you to know that this rep range won't magically help you build muscle. What actually is gonna help you to grow muscle is training to failure. So while performing any exercise, you need to choose a weight which will allow you to fail in the rep ranges which I mentioned earlier. Remember guys, rep range isn't that important, but reaching muscular failure is. It doesn't matter even if you do 20 or 30 reps. What matters is you reach your muscular failure. So you will have to experiment to find the ideal weight which you should use in each set. Another important thing is progressive overload. Progressive overload is basically just increasing your workout volume gradually as you become more advanced. This is important because as you start lifting, you won't be able to grow your muscles by providing them with the same stimulation every day. Over time, you are gonna have to increase the weight which you lift or the number of reps which you perform. Progressive overload can simply be considered as just increasing one rep or using a slightly heavier weight in any one of your set in any one of your exercises. And this has to gradually go on increasing because as your muscles grow, the stimulus which they will require to grow further will increase as well. So what you are basically trying to do is you are trying to increase your failure capacity. That is, if you first failed at 10 reps with a 10 kg dumbbell, next time you have to aim to fail at 11 reps with the same dumbbell. Lastly, the most overlooked factor when it comes to building an aesthetic body is mind-muscle connection. Guys, remember, the muscle doesn't care how much weight you lift. It only cares about how much tension it's being put through. Performing slow and controlled reps puts the muscle under the maximum stress and is simply by far the best and the most effective advice I can give to anyone seeking immense gains. You need to visualize each and every fiber of your muscle contracting as you perform these the exercise. This will allow you to target your muscles in a better and a more efficient way and will allow you to see better results. Alright guys, so as a beginner, this is all the basic information and the fundamental rules of working out which you need to know. In the next video, I will be telling you everything about nutrition and how to structure your diet in order to achieve your dream physique. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss the next video. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to leave a like and share this video with at least one of your gym bros. And I'll see you in the next one.